problem do you help your clients solve? And are they really clear about it? Because we associate a brand with the problem it solves. So for instance, if I get a headache, then the brand I automatically think of is Disprin. So that's obviously one that's really obvious. But when it comes to the work that you do and how you help your clients, what do they associate with your help? What problem is it, or what do you do that makes them feel good? So for me, I've got a financial advisor myself, and any decision I need to make with my money, big or small, from buying a car to buying a new house to just buying a beautiful Christmas gift for my lovely husband, I think of him because he helps me, he makes sense of it, he gets me out of pickles, he makes it so much easier. So what problem do you solve? And is it really clear to clients that that's the problem that you help them solve? Is it clear on your website? Is it clear in any of your marketing material? Is it clear when they come to you that this is a problem that they help you solve, this is how they solve it, and these are the benefits that you get as a result of it? When you can nail those three things, it's going to make it so much easier to catch and keep more of the type of clients that you need to grow your business. Whatever you do with that, make it count.